Hey guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a Chipotle Cheddar Biscuit recipe. This is going to be used to have alongside our taco soup this week. And these are all the ingredients you're going to need. So we do have almond flour right here, butter, salt, eggs, sour cream, baking powder, cheddar cheese, some onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and then the chipotle sauce here. So that's been diced up. So let's get into it. I'll show you how I make them. Alright guys, so this is the finished mini muffin tray here. I tried to even out how much batter was in each one. These are going to go into a 400-degree oven right now and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll see what they look like. Alright guys, while the muffins are cooking in the oven, we're going to make a little melted butter topping so that when the muffins come out of the oven, we'll be brushing this on. So it's about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of parsley and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'll give it a mix. Alright guys, so these just came out of the oven. They're nice and browned on top and they smell wonderful. It's very buttery, garlic, and a little bit of smoky note too from the chipotle peppers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this melted butter topping here and swipe it over, let it absorb into the muffins, and then let them to finish cooling. And then I'll pop them out. Now these silicone muffin pans are awesome for letting the muffins come out really easily. So I'll let them cool just a little bit in there, and then I'll just pop them out, and then they'll be ready for us to eat. Here's a better look at how the biscuits turned out. They have a buttery flavor with a soft texture. The garlic notes and the smoky chipotle flavor do come through as well. And once they've cooled, they pop out so easily from these silicone pans. I really do love using these because it really minimizes the hassle of getting them out, and they're so easy to use and clean afterwards as well. All of the ingredients you need to make this recipe are listed here, and as always, you can go into the description box of the video for full recipe details and directions on how to make them. We'll be eating these as a side to our Southwest Fiesta soup that we're making this week, and this is a recipe that I got from my fellow YouTuber Erica from Time to Shrink. I'll put a link to her channel below. She shares a lot of great recipes and other content, so you should definitely go check her out if you aren't already familiar with her. The nutrition information here for the biscuits can be seen, and they're also in the description box of the video as well, as always. Remember, this is based on my ingredients and the amounts and brands that I use, so yours may vary depending on what you're going to be using. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end and watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We would really love to have you to come back. We do weekly recipe videos as well as menu planning and grocery haul videos as well. So take care, and until next time, bye-bye.